How do I choose the correct form of the main verb to follow ir in the future tense? Olá, pessoal! Hello, everyone! Welcome to this Q&A with Laura. If you're new here to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Also, you can follow me on other social media. I'm there by Sing Brazilian. Now we have a more specific question here about the future tense. How do I choose the correct form of the main verb to follow ir in the future tense? Okay, this is very specific, so in case you haven't watched my class here on the future tense, I'm gonna remind you now. If you want to watch the full class on the future tense, you can find here in my channel, okay? It's using a song from Marília Mendonça. It's very good. But the simple structure is this one. For the futuro simples or futuro imediato in Portuguese, you will use the verb ir, that means to go, plus the verb you want in the infinitive. How do I know that a verb is in the infinitive? The verb in the infinitive ends in R, okay? And the verb ir, we have to conjugate. So we conjugate the verb ir depending on the person. Check here. So, eu vou, tu vais. I marked here because we do not use the tu conjugated when we are speaking. Okay, nowadays we do not use. We tend to say tu vai. Você vai, ele vai, a gente vai, nós vamos, vós ides. This we never use. Okay, we do not use vós nowadays, especially not with this conjugation. Vocês vão, eles vão. And I put examples here for you too, so it becomes first the conjugation for eu. Eu vou estudar. I will study. See, where is the verb ir here? Where is the verb ir? The verb ir is here conjugated like vou. Eu vou. The verb is ir, but it's an irregular verb, so the conjugation changes the verb a little bit. Now for tu, the correct form would be tu vais fazer. You will do make. Like I told you, we tend to say like this. Tu vai fazer. For você, você vai fazer. You will do or make something. Ela ou ele vai escrever. She or he will write. Nós vamos comer. We will eat. Nós vamos. Another possibility would be saying, a gente vai comer. See how we change the conjugation for a gente and for nós? It's different, but the meaning is the same. Vocês vão aprender. You in the plural. Vocês vão aprender. You will learn. Vocês que estão assistindo essa aula, you that are watching this class, vão aprender. You will learn. Okay? Vocês vão aprender. And the last one, eles vão viajar. They will travel. Eles vão. This can be a little tough because it's nasal, but you say it like this. Eles vão viajar. Okay? So this is the simple future. If you want to have access to the full class, you can check in the channel here. Okay? Very good. Now let's go to the last question for today. It's also about the future. So, how do I form negative sentences and questions in the simple future tense? So to make the negative, let's make the same sentences we already did, but now using the negative. We just have to add the word não to make it negative, okay? So remember, the structure is this: ir plus the verb in the infinitive. To make it negative, all you have to do is put a não before the verb ir. So it will be like this: the person, then não, then ir, and the verb. So Let's see the examples. I'm gonna put the noun here with you so you understand. Eu não vou estudar. I will not study. See that the order is different from English. In English, first I say the will, then I say the not. Here it's the opposite. I say the não first, and then I say the vou, that is the verb ir, okay? So the order in Portuguese is different from English. Tu vai fazer. Tu não vai fazer. Remember this here. The correct way would be saying tu não vais fazer. But we do not use this in day-to-day conversation. Você não vai fazer. Ele ou ela não vai escrever. A gente não vai comer. Nós não vamos comer. Vocês não vão aprender. This is not true because you will learn. Eles não vão viajar. So, just put the noun first. And to make questions. All you have to do is put the question mark here. That's all. Both for negative and for affirmative, you do not have to change the order of anything. You just change your intonation. So, eu não vou estudar or eu vou estudar. The order doesn't change, okay? All you have to do is put this mark there and it becomes a question with the right intonation, okay? If you enjoyed this video, if you think it was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Ciao! Bye!